Okay, we're going to be using the Gmail and calendar integration with our Mirabelle Applications app. And this is a little demo video to show how we're using it and demonstrate the client ID and then also the scope that we'll be using. So the first one we're going to look at is a connection to the calendar. We're going from a magazinemanager.com. Um, you log in to the application here as a user. We have a web calendar that users have the ability to sync with their Google Calendar. Just the connect button. Let's see, here's our client ID. So you can see that what we're using. And then this is Magazine Manager, and it's going to choose my account. And then here we see the, let's see, once again, let's try and find, is our client ID up in here? Not really sure. Probably not. But at any rate, we see that the magazine manager wants access to the Google account, and then the scope that we want to request. Click allow. And that will basically hook up the calendar so they sync together with our Google Calendar. And then the other thing I'll demonstrate, we also need access to the Gmail API. So here we're at another .com site and we log in as a authenticated user. And this will allow users to send only up to 10 emails using their from address, their Gmail address as the from address. So we will, we go in here, we take a look for a few clients. We select up to 10. And from here, they have the option to use Gmail. And here we get our OAuth screens. Let's go ahead and make sure we have, there's our scope. Not sure where the client ID is. Let's find it. There's the redirect. Okay, I think this is going to be it. So there's the client ID highlighted in the URL. And then of course, this is where we're asking what we want to do, saying the application here. And then here we can see the scope that we're requesting. And then the application and the, like I say again, I don't know if any of this has anything we need. The client ID or anything, but we saw previously on the previous screen. And then we're just going to go ahead and accept this or allow it. And then that will allow us to send email from the Gmail account. And that should be everything that we need. I hope it is. Let us know if there's anything else we need.